Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Biofuel Block in Subnautica 2. Now, biofuel can't be made inside the simple fabricator in your life pod, or even the fully functional one in your habitat. You can only make it inside the processor right here, and thankfully there seems to be multiple recipes of the Biofuel Block. I can make it either through fibrous pulp or through pent. As long as you've discovered those two materials, then you can make it through these recipes. However, at the very least, you first have to make the processor first, and I'll show it to you. I personally found this building all the way to the north of the life pod, somewhere around the 350 to 370 meter range in this footage, right? The life pod is all the way south at 370 meters, and the location you're going to go into is this old settlement. Just make your way inside under this building right here, go through the hole from the bottom, make your way forward and go up these ladders here to the right. And here's the processor right here. And thankfully you only need this one processor to get the full blueprint. Alright, with your processor now made, you can now make your blocks. And since I have more pelt here, that fibrous pulp, I'm going to use that instead. And once you have the blocks, you can then stick these inside your biofuel reactor, and now you have sweet electricity for your habitat. And that's about it on how to get biofuel blocks in Subnautica 2. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.